bizarre sex advice someone has asked you for?
Oh God, एक चीज बताऊं?
जो भी आपको भी याद आ रहा है top of mind.
Everything from people saying कि क्या pregnant होने के लिए penetration ज़रूरी होता है, to saying कि oral sex से pregnancy तो नहीं हो सकती, and this comes regularly. कि my husband said कि इलायची खा लो तो contraception हो जाती है. I have had people saying we've been married for 10 years, cannot manage penetration because we don't know कि कहाँ डालना चाहिए. But it's also the emotional thing. You know, there is this thing कि एक बारी हाँ कह दिया तो उसके बाद फिर हम ना कैसे कहेंगे. You have to tell them कि एक बारी हाँ कहना doesn't mean कि it's written in stone. You can change your mind. There's a lot of people writing in about sex dreams. They get very violent sex dreams. It's not unusual. And one woman had said कि जब भी मैं अपनी मम्मी को बताती हूँ कि you know, and she said they get to be really violent. When I tell my mother, she says पूजा करवा लो. अब पूजा करवाने से आपकी sex dreams नहीं चली जाएंगी. There is an issue going on. There is a, you know, there are issues over there.
Yeah.
This girl said that I'm 20, my boyfriend is 22, and we have a great relationship. We love each other. He is very, very good in bed. Like he makes sure he pleasures me, always makes me come. I can never make him come no matter what I do. And he can come when he self-pleasures, but not, I can't do it. And now he said to her that maybe I need to be with somebody else because you can't do this for me. And they've kind of come to a mutual decision, which is, I'm heartbroken because I really love him. But more importantly, does that mean कि मैं कभी relationship में नहीं हो पाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ sex में that I can't do this? And to try and explain कि orgasms, climax is very different when you self-pleasure and when you're with somebody. And no matter how good you are at sex, you cannot make somebody else come. That climax has to come from that person's body and mind. आप उनको चाहे जितना मर्जी pleasure दे सकते हैं, you can be fantastic. But the climax will come from the other person. And we have a way of stopping our own climax. Our brain works in that way.
Correct.
I just want people to know that agar aapke partner, and for all genders, so even for guys who feel that I can't make my girlfriend come, please do not judge yourself or your abilities by somebody else's climax. आप अपने आप को, do not think of yourself as less. You are fine because this is what she's going to take forward.
Yeah.
This belief that I am no good, I'm useless.
Yeah, I'm not good enough.
I'm not good enough.
Yeah.
And imagine what that's going to do to her future relationships, saying, I'm so not good enough. You're with me. I'm so lucky that you're with me. Like the boundaries go, the insecurity comes in.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a lot of guys also face this because the girlfriend can't come. I want to say this equally for both sides.
Correct. What do you think about the whole body count debate?
Oh, God. You know, okay, I get very angry with it. I'll be very honest.
Course,
because it's the body count debate is only a debate because we believe that it's okay अगर आदमी कर रहा है sex, बहुत सारा sex कर रहा है. He's a stud. If a woman has a relationship, she's a slut. And I think that's what bothers me. Body count is just something that annoys me. Either make it equal, say it is not okay for anybody, or it is okay for everybody.
Yeah. We'll do a segment which is called 3 Things Only.
Oh, God.
3 main problems women come up with.
I think consent, understanding कि किस तरह से अगर ना बोलें उनकी ना सुनाई देगी या नहीं. Understanding how to put boundaries, because we've been taught that boundaries are a bad thing. So just teaching women that boundaries are actually for your own safety. Somebody said to me the other day, but don't you think आजकल बहुत boundaries हो गई हैं? No, there is no such thing as बहुत boundaries. Some boundaries can be hard boundaries, some can be soft boundaries.
Yeah.
When you find you're safe, you can negotiate them. And third is safety. Safety in terms of protection, safety in terms of hygiene, safety in terms of knowing that somebody is not videoing you when you're safety.
Yeah. So, three things to understand, or three ways to understand your partner's consent.
Okay. One is, of course, a physical yes or no. Second is your body language will definitely show it to you also. Because sometimes, again, I've had people say to me, कि they said yes, but unke body language was not really showing it. And that is really, really important to understand. And finally, to not try and negotiate that no, to be coercive. कि अगर उसने ना कह दिया है और तुम बोलते जाओ, फाइनली अगर वो तंग आकर कहे ओके फाइन, दैट इज नॉट consent.
Yeah. Three pleasure related myths that you would like to debunk.
If you have seen something on porn, like let's say in this case as a guy who's seen something that a woman is enjoying, or as a woman you've seen something like that, is not necessarily how the actual physical body enjoys it. Porn जो है वो कैमरा के लिए बनाई जा रही है, उनके लिए एक्शन चाहिए. So that is definitely not the way to this thing, to learn. Secondly, my friend told me is not good enough. Okay.
My friend told me. Yeah.
My friend told me that this is fun, or all my friends are doing it and so it should be fun. Doesn't work. We all have a different way of each thing impacting us. And that if you are with somebody that you love emotionally, that there will be automatic pleasure. The body arousal works differently. It needs certain things to get it going, because women particularly are not told what to feel during sex.
Yeah.
We are told what to do. Like we're given our performance this thing, but we aren't told how to feel. Or men are told that they have to constantly be ready for sex. Like at any time, उनको सारा time aroused होना. अगर किसी ने कह दिया तो they should have arousal. It is so bad for each. Men are not always aroused. They have an equal amount of hesitation. So do women.
Three things men think women want.
I think this is very, very different for everybody. But I'll tell you the three things that are generally done, which I think that men really need to think about. So one is, and this is very personal, don't always kiss the woman in the ear, because that's not necessarily pleasurable for everybody. Okay. The second is that when you think that you're pleasuring the woman and you are using your fingers to pleasure her, please do not stick this finger in and just go in and out like a hammer. That is not the way to do it. And three, that the thrusting, like if it is penetrative sex that you're having, the longer it goes on, ghanto, aadha ghanta, it's not what a woman wants. There are many other ways to give her pleasure. That is not what we're looking for.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.